Hey pen and pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous pen and pincher Shalomi, and today I'm super duper excited to be participating in the Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab hosted by the amazing and lovely Trevina over at TMB Designs and a host of other amazing creators. I will definitely leave all their links in the description box below so you can check out their amazing work. Now, if you want to see how I put this tablescape together, just keep on watching. Now let's start with this beautiful centerpiece with florals that I've collected from all over, including the Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Michael's, Pier 1, Hobby Lobby, and so forth. Now this beautiful acorn was another color. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby and I spray painted it gold using the metallic Rust-Oleum spray. Now this huge pumpkin is an oldie but goodie, but I think the color and texture add so much to this beautiful tablescape. I'm also using one of my most recent DIYs, which is this beautifully jeweled pumpkin that is being elevated by a cake stand, which is now doubling as a pedestal. I have the same pedestal on the opposite side with this beautiful pumpkin that I've had for a while, which says give thanks, and that was from TJ Maxx. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the place settings. The first piece I'll be putting down is this beautiful glittery placemat in the shape of a pumpkin from the Dollarama. It was only $2. I'm now placing this beautiful charger that I scored last summer from HomeSense. It is absolutely gorgeous. Next, I'll be using these beautiful fall plates that I scored also from HomeSense. They are absolutely gorgeous. The minute I saw them, I knew I had to have them. Now, instead of going with the matching salad plate, I opted to go with this one. I love the wheat that's on it and I love the message. It says thankful, and I'm truly thankful for everything, especially in this season. Now I'll just be adding a simple white napkin with this beautiful diamond encrusted napkin ring, which is a fall leaf from Totally Dazzled. And for my flatware, I'm using these beautiful gold-plated knife and fork, and you will never guess it, but these are actually thrifted from my local Value Village. To complete my place setting, I'm using these very shiny coasters that are closely matching the placemat, and for my drinkware, these gold rim flutes that I've had for a while. Now the place settings on the side are a little bit different. I did not use the glittery placemats. Instead, I opted to use this beautiful gold charger that I've also had for a while. It was one of my first buys when I started to do decor. Of course, my tablescape would not be complete without my cute little salt and pepper shakers. I believe I bought these last year in TJ Maxx, but they are absolutely gorgeous and go well with this tablescape. Now I've added 2 lumbar pillows to both of my end chairs. This one says Gather and the other one says Harvest, which I believe is very befitting for the fall season. Just to add a little bit more interest, I've added these red pillows behind the Gather and the Harvest ones, and I think it beautifully ties in all the colors on the table. Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one you prefer. Do you like them with the red pillows added or without? And this is all I have for you today, Penny Pinchers. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you. Now, don't forget to check out my description box below as I will have a list of all the other co-hosts participating in this Beauti-Fall Tablescape Collab. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome with big open arms. I would love for you to consider joining the Glamorous Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.